What's up guys, and welcome back to another awesome episode of JDM for All. And in today's video guys, we are going to be changing out my lights in my door. So basically when you walk up to your car, there is a light under the mirror down here, and that's pretty cool. But when you actually open your door, there's a light at the bottom, basically like just so you can see your step, this little light right here. So I just got these, and they are basically lights that shine onto the ground, and these are LEXUS lights. So basically what should happen is it should shine a LEXUS symbol on the ground. Not sure if I'm going to keep these in the car, but I did want to show you guys installing and how to install them, and it is actually pretty simple. Alright guys, so we're going to install these. It should be really easy. I'm not sure how easy this is to actually pop out. It should be pretty easy though. I'm not exactly sure. I might need a screwdriver. Alright, so I'm going to need a screwdriver to pop this out, or something. I'm going to need something to pop this out. So let me go get something and I'll be back. Alright, so I have a flathead screwdriver. I don't want to scratch the door or anything, but I do want to get this to pop out. Hopefully it's easy. Okay, it looks like it's already trying to come out. Okay, so I definitely do not want to scrape this. Oops, I definitely don't want to scrape it. There we go. Wow, that was actually really easy. Okay, so basically guys, I just popped it in the corner right here and it came right out. Okay, so this looks like a regular incandescent light bulb, which is not very efficient, or it definitely is not the best type of light to have in a luxury vehicle. This thing is super hot, and the door's only been open for a few minutes. Okay, so basically I believe you just push this little button on the clip and it should come out. Okay, so it came out really easily, and this thing is super hot. So I'm actually really excited to see these, because my wife actually got these as a gift for me, and I want to see what they look like. Hopefully they look really cool. And I hope they do not have like too many words or anything on it. Alright, so it looks like this is the one for this side, and as you can see right there, there's a projector and it's LED, so this area will never get hot like that incandescent light bulb. So basically guys, this looks really cool and I think it will work well. So yeah, you just plug it right back in right here. I'm going to plug it in right now. Oh, that is actually... That's actually super cool. Wow, I can't believe this. That's actually super cool, guys. I wasn't sure if this would be like a ricey mod or anything, but I am liking it. That is so cool. And it kind of, like, look at that. It actually has the features like it's an actual badge on the steering wheel or something. That is super cool. Okay, I really like this. Okay, so I'm going to install this really quick. Let's see how easy it is to install. Okay, so that was easy. Alright, so basically guys, look at this. That is super cool. It says LEXUS on the ground, but it is way out. I kind of want to change it and pull it more that way. So I'm going to use a screwdriver on the back, and I'm going to adjust it right now. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. It looks so cool. So basically... before it was showing way over here, and the L and the E were really stretched out, but I ended up adjusting it and moving them way right. So I'll show you guys how to do that right now, but look at this. That is just amazing, guys. That is just awesome. It looks so cool. So I was worried about this being ricey. I actually really like it. So every time, at least at night, when I get out of my car, it's going to look so cool, guys. Look at that. That just looks so cool. I don't know, it is a little weird to see, but I think I'm going to keep it, at least for now. It's so easy, I could literally just unplug it and put it back to stock anytime, so I'm going to keep it for now, guys, but look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. I'm glad I didn't get the one with the circle around it, because I felt like that was a bit much, but it looks really good, guys. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I adjusted it right now. And it is super simple. So basically, here's the lights right here. Let me pull one out real quick. Alright, so basically right here, guys, these are the lights. It goes in right here like this, so it was popped way out on the left. So basically, the light was showing way left, so all I did was loosen this left screw right there, and I pulled it up, and I loosened the right one, and I pulled that one down. And when you pull both of these a certain way, it will shift the light a certain way. So all I had to do was move that screw higher and the right screw lower, and it actually brought the image more in a little bit more, and it made it look a lot more centered, and it doesn't look as weird with the L and the E further this way and stretched out a little bit. It looks really good, and I do like it, guys. Look at this. So it does get pretty hot, but it doesn't get as hot as this one was. This one was super hot after a few minutes, just after a few minutes of having it open. So this is what it looks like, guys. It looks super cool. I actually really like it. So when I go to open my door, this is what I'll see at night now. That is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to do the passenger side. The funny thing is, this package actually came with 4, and I do not have lights in my back doors. So I guess I'll have 2 extras. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. It's so simple. It is just easy. So I already showed you how to do this one, so I'll do the other one, and we will be back. But basically, guys, if you're going to do this, just put your flathead screwdriver, just pop it in right here, and it will basically just pop out. And all you have to do is pull on it. Super easy. This is actually a better look than the yellow conventional bulb that was in there. I think this one looks a little bit better. It is more blue. It just definitely looks a little bit more blue. And yeah, basically, guys, that's what it looks like without any light. Yeah. It looks pretty cool, guys. That is definitely cool. So yeah, that is it, guys. I'm going to do the passenger side, and then I'll be back. Alright, guys, and now the passenger side is done, and I also adjusted this one to move it a little bit towards the left, just to get it so it is not facing out so much. So basically, when you first get these, they seem to be more wanting to face out away from the door, and that's a little strange because the outside actually does blur out a little bit compared to the inside. This side is a little bit blurry, but I have to say it looks great. Obviously, I can't open my door all the way over here because my car is parked close to this wall, but it looks great, guys. So anytime you open the door now at night, this is what you'll see. It is pretty cool. I could see getting gas at night, and just seeing this on the ground would probably look really cool. And the best thing about this, guys, is that I can go back to stock anytime. I can basically just pop these out and then throw these stock ones back in. And these stock ones are they're not very efficient, and they get super hot, and they're yellow. So I don't know, guys. These kind of have a blue hue to them. They look really cool, and not only that, they say LEXUS on the bottom. I mean, how can you go wrong with that? That is awesome, guys. So let's go back over to the driver's side, check out the driver's side, and yeah, let's see what it looks like again one more time. And that is it, guys. That is so cool. I don't know, guys. This is such an easy mod. Basically, these were, I think, $20 on Amazon. Not a big deal. They're easy to install, easy to change out. You could go back stock anytime, and they just look super cool. So I was worried about these looking kind of ricey, but I do like them. I'm going to run with them for a while. I think it will be like with when you get tow hooks or anything. I think these will basically be like with a new mod that you're not very sure of. I think eventually you'll just forget about it, and it will become part of the car. Alright, guys, well, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for making it this far. I think this mod looks awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys think this is cool? Would you guys do this? Are you guys planning on doing this and you're looking for videos on how to do it? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I will see you guys on the next video.